So as we were discussing the cylinder and the cube, your designs should illustrate three things. You will illustrate the front, a side or the profile of your head, as well as the three-quarter view demonstrated on the cube and cylinder drawings. So this could be simply starting with a box. And we will draw our cube here. What we want to do is we want to take time. We want to draw different shapes, different forms. We want to look around our house and try to gather materials. Perhaps something inspires you, some solo cups, water bottles that could be cut apart and used as eyeballs or different light features on the robot. If you look through the PowerPoint, you will see artists who have used cardboard first creatively, and secondly, you'll see their ingenuity in how they connect things or they employ different materials. So, take time, think about your design. Gather supplies. See what you can do. This is your chance. We are cooped up in houses. We are learning from a distance together during this time, and we're going to come together and share these creative endeavors that we are undertaking. So, we're going to illustrate the front, the side, and our three-quarter view. So, think about those different shapes, like the bottom of some water bottle have these kind of nice shapes, and these could be, you could go out in the garage and see if there's spray paint kicking around. You could paint these, like spray them on the inside before attaching them. You can cut the mouth out and place things behind it. You could place lace or mesh material so that, one, it's breathable, two, you'll be able to be heard when speaking through this. So maybe we think about that. We are going to have a cutout area here. Perhaps there are teeth, perhaps there is like an EKG line. So we are sketching, we are thinking. All right, so from the front, I like the idea of the fact that a robot may need something to bring in sound. So we're going to place some funnels. So the funnels could be actual funnels that you find. They could be other things. This could be the top of a water bottle that's cut off, and you cut a hole in the cardboard and you shove the water bottle in and screw it onto it. So it's like bolted to it. So this is what my robot may look like from the front. Now from the side, I'm going to show my ear. It should be something like this. Remember, we're looking straight on at it, so we're not going to see a lot of depth like what we do here. So we'll see that there. Now if our mouth is set inside, we may draw some little dashed lines to indicate that plan to inset a material. Now our eyes may be protruding out since they are the water bottles, so this may look something like this here. So from the side, this gives me an idea as to what my robot may look like. Now, three-quarter view. I'm going to erase out lines that I don't need. And I'm going to begin drawing. So I'm going to put my oval here. That is not correct. So it might look something like that. My water bottles, which are sticking out. One there. all we are trying to do is give ourselves an understanding as to what we are about to create may look like. So these lines here demonstrate the fact that the mouth is set back into the cardboard. So, in the 3/4 view, we will not see the other ear because it is actually hidden. You may see a slight little protrusion there. So what we have now is a basic plan that you may see kind of in a model kit or furniture, Legos. So this is like our diagram so that we know what it is that we intend to build. All right, so I'm gonna get set up and then we are going to talk about some of the tools that you will need and safety uses of those tools, as well as how to protect mom or grandmother's antique table. We don't want to displease anyone in the process of this. So we will talk about how to set up properly and to ensure your safety in this project.